Less is more. Less is absolutely more. Oh my goodness, like look at this wig. I gave you my heart. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, so today's video is about how I wear my fringe wig. I'm just gonna show you a little bit and pieces how I get to customize my fringe synthetic wig to make it look really natural, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you in this video today. So before I get right into the video, I'm just gonna insert a little clip. Oh, I can't speak right now. I'm just gonna insert a little clip that shows the before of this wig, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the process on how I finesse this wig. So this is just going to be a quick video about how to customize your fringe wig to make it look so natural. Like I'm rocking this wig right now. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first you're gonna figure out where the fringe starts. So you're just gonna take out all of the fringe, separate them away from the wig itself. So as you can see, I'm just taking out the fringe and just separating the long waves from where the fringe is. Once you've separated everything and you've taken out the fringe just like so, you're just going to go ahead and comb it out just to give you an idea of what it is and how you're going to start getting into it. So to make a synthetic wig with a fringe natural, the first thing you're gonna be tackling or dealing with is the fringe. And how do you do that? You're gonna use your thinning scissors, because once the fringe is full and bulky, it looks so unnatural, but once it's kind of like scanty and sassy, it looks really natural. So as you can see, my thinning scissors takes out a little bit of hair, and then it's just gonna leave you with scantier hair per se. I will advise that you do this in bits. I'm very impatient. I don't have patience. I'm impatient, so that's why I just bunch it up in my hands and just like clip it through it. It's really wrong. Don't do that. Just do it in batches, do it in steps, do it in layers. As you can see, it looks a bit scruffy and rough, but not to worry, we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna make it work at the end of the day. So you keep putting each layers on the ones that you've actually done. As you can see, it's freeing up some hair, and then you're gonna go on and do the same thing, same process, no biggie. Just make sure that you thin out all of that fringe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out again, and as you can see, as you're combing, it takes out a little bit of hair, leaves you with a scantier wig or scantier fringe. That's how it should look. And I do not like my fringe to have a straight blunt cut, so I usually just go in with my thinning scissors and then just try to shred the tips a bit just to make it look really messy. I love a messy look when it comes to fringe. I'm just going to continue doing that until I've gotten my desired look, or desired, should I say, feel to the hair. And comb it, make sure you comb it as you go through it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the last badge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb everything down, and then I'm gonna take out a little bit for the last layer. Usually I don't touch the last layer until it's on my head, because you need to get the accurate size of what the fringe should look like on your head. So I'm just gonna go ahead to do that thinning on these layers, and as you do that, keep combing it, taking out the parts where you don't like, taking out the longer bits, and making sure you're freeing up those bulky wig. Now guys, like I said before, the longer your fringe is, the more fake it looks. Like if you see a fringe on a natural hair, it's usually scanty, it's usually not very long, covering their nose and their mouths. It's usually just at the top of your forehead. So yeah, you just do it basically to look like what it should look like, you know what I mean? So for the last layers, I'm just going to put the wig on my head. And to see how synthetic this wig is, look at the inside of this wig. Like, it's so basic. It's an 8-pound wig, so definitely is basic. I'm just going to dust that out and put it on my head before I do the final finessing. And mostly I like to tie my wig at the back when I put it. The more grip your wig has, the more shape and the more fitting it will have when you put it on your head. So that's how the fringe is looking. You can go ahead and rock it this way if that's what you prefer, but I do not prefer this type of fringe look. For starters, it looks so straight. I don't do straight blonde cut fringe look. I do messy fringe look. So I'm just gonna go ahead, hold the tip of the hair, and then cut it to the size of my just a little bit below my eyebrow. That's how it's looking like right now. I'm still gonna go ahead to cut it off a little bit, just a little bit, just to make sure that I've got everything I need sorted. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this wig, and this is how long the wig looks. Because I have reduced the size of the fringe, it looks odd now because it doesn't really fit the length of the wig anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead to cut off that to the size of my face, and then I'll come back to the weave itself, because I really need to reduce the length. Because I've reduced the fringe, the length doesn't really, you know, match up to the fringe anymore. Right, and to do that, I'm just going to show you one part, and then I'll come back to show you the final look. So to do that, you're going to repeat the same process, but with your thinning scissors, not natural scissors. It has to be a thinning scissors, because you're thinning the hair right before you cut it. I want to cut it. I feel like a fringe wig is very sexy when it's short. I don't know about you guys, like, it looks really natural and sexy, especially when the fringe wig is a synthetic wig. So I do like the way it's looking. I do like how scanty that bit looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it, and that's the length that I'm going with. And then I'm just gonna go ahead to do the other bit of the hair. And when I come back, be sure to know that I'm gonna come back with a total slay of this wig. So I'm just gonna use my hot iron and kind of like just bob it a little bit. Not like it would definitely bob, because the synthetic hair, it's really like basic synthetic fiber wig, so it won't bob, but it would just give it like a mild natural look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna comb it out. Look at that length. And yeah, basically look at what I got out of that wig. Like, less is more. Less is literally more. The more you take out, the less the hair looks, and the more natural the hair will look. So yeah, this is how the hair looks right now. This is how cute it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead, put my makeup on, and I'm gonna come back to show you the final look. Yes, people, so this is the final look of this process, and this is how I make my fringe wig look really natural. If you have any question, don't forget to just drop it in the comment section, and I'll definitely attend to it. So this video is inspired by someone who asked me how to actually rock a fringe wig. That's why I made this video. So yeah, this is how I rock my fringe wig. I don't always go ahead and cut it, but I always reduce the fringe just to make it look really natural. You know, it looks odd, it looks fake when it's full, and when it's all cut out sharp, it looks really fake. So do yourself a favor, loves, try to make your fringe a bit scanty in front, and you will definitely have a smooth look, like a natural smooth look. Thank you guys so much. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you do not enjoy it, it's okay. Not everybody likes good things, so fine, just give this video a thumbs down, and leave your comments on the comment sections. Ask me anything you want. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please do subscribe, and if you do, ring the notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. In the meantime, loves, do not forget to drink lots and lots of water, moisturize, and I'll definitely be seeing you in another video. Bye guys.
coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne.